In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use shading in Microsoft Word to make your text, paragraphs, and document sections stand out clearly. Shading is a simple but powerful formatting tool that can help you highlight important information, improve readability, and give your document a more polished look. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and decide exactly what you want to shade. You can shade a single word, a sentence, an entire paragraph, or even a larger block of text, depending on the look you want. To begin, click and drag your mouse to select the text or paragraph you want to format. If you want to shade a full paragraph, it's usually best to select the whole paragraph so the color applies evenly. Once your text is selected, look at the top of Word and go to the Home tab. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located, including font, alignment, bullets, and paragraph settings. In the paragraph group, you'll see the shading button. It usually looks like a small paint bucket icon. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look carefully across the toolbar because it sits near the borders and alignment options. Now click the arrow next to the shading button. Don't just click the icon itself if you want to see the full set of color choices. The drop-down menu will open and show you a selection of theme colors and standard colors. This gives you a lot of flexibility, whether you want a subtle light gray background, a soft highlight color, or a stronger shade to make text stand out. Choose the color you want by clicking it once. As soon as you select a color, Word will apply the shading to the text or paragraph you highlighted. You'll immediately see the background color appear behind the selected area. If the result is too dark, too bright, or doesn't fit the rest of your document, you can always try a different color. Just repeat the same steps and pick another shade until it looks right. If you want to remove shading later, simply select the same text again, go back to the shading menu, and choose No Color. That will clear the background and return the text to its original plain format. This is useful if you change your mind or if you want to keep your document more minimal and clean. A helpful tip is to use shading consistently. For example, you might use one light color for section headings, another for notes, and another for warnings or important instructions. That can make your document easier to scan, especially if it's a report, assignment, template, or business document. Just make sure not to use too many strong colors at once because that can make the page look cluttered or harder to read. Also, remember that shading is different from text highlighting. Highlighting usually emphasizes just the words themselves, while shading gives the selected area a full background color, which is especially useful for paragraphs and table cells. Once you understand that difference, you can choose the right tool depending on the effect you want. So, to quickly recap, select the text or paragraph, go to the Home tab, click the arrow next to the shading button in the paragraph group, and choose a color. That's all it takes to add professional looking shading in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.